Unraveling Idioms, Growing Like Weeds. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we'll explore the meaning behind the phrase, growing like weeds. Whether you're a language enthusiast or striving to become fluent in English, understanding idioms can enrich your linguistic skills immensely. So, let's get started and unpack this phrase together. The phrase, growing like weeds, is an idiom that paints a vivid picture in our minds. But what does it actually mean? We know that weeds are those unwanted plants that seem to spring up everywhere, often growing faster than the plants we actually care about. So, when we say something is growing like weeds, we are comparing its rapid or unchecked growth to how quickly weeds proliferate. Let's see growing like weeds in action. The children are growing like weeds. Last time I saw them, they were up to my waist, and now they're as tall as me. Technology is advancing rapidly, with new gadgets growing like weeds every day. Since opening last year, the coffee shop's popularity has been growing like weeds, with more and more customers visiting daily. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to express swift and abundant growth, which can be literal or metaphorical. How can you use growing like weeds in your speech or writing? This idiom is particularly useful when you want to highlight the speed and vigor of something's increase or expansion. It can apply to living things, like children or businesses, as well as to concepts, like trends or technologies. For example, my hobby of collecting stamps began just a year ago, and now my collection is growing like weeds. The fan base for the new TV series is growing like weeds, signaling a potential hit for the network. We hope this video has shed some light on the idiom, growing like weeds, and you're now equipped to use it in your own conversations and writing. Remember, idioms are a fantastic way to add color to your language and convey your thoughts with creativity and flair. Keep practicing, and don't let your learning grow like weeds. In other words, don't let it get out of control. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you explore more English idioms in our future videos.